There we go. Okay. I might turn up my. There we go. Okay, touch nothing now. Alright, guys, so today we are taking this guy that I got off eBay this the other day. Oh, forgot. Turn off my mic stuff. Oh, I gotta tighten this up. There we go. Ah, right here, right here. Now another screen, so I can see this without having to look all the way at the other screen all the way over there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy, we're gonna put him in some hot water. Use something to hold him down into the water. Oh, that didn't work out like I planned. There we go. Hold him down. Is it still hot? It is still kind of hot. What is this? Oh, it's a fluff. Okay. I've got stuff across the desk, so I've got that. Um, I've still got projects that are sitting here needing to be finished. Like this guy, he's pretty much done. But, I might give him away next time I'm out and about at a toy show. Now, hopefully he's been in there long enough. Yep, see how easy that works out? Alright. I'll leave this in the hot water a little bit longer. Let's see. It's not as hot as it should be, so maybe I'll take him out. Take him out, and I will go. Oh, this is still pretty hot though. 1 second. I need something for prying. I have been told that getting a razor and cutting the side would probably be beneficial. So I don't have one right now, so I'll have to wait and go get one. Let's try this out. Oh, something come out. But you can always try and do a little vice grip thingy. Okay. Well, let's try and pry this apart first. Ooh. Oh. Alright, so that does need a razor blade, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm gonna go heat this up and I'll be right back, guys. Yep. Little disc thing, let's take it out of there. Three minutes. Do, 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 do. Alright, 3 minutes. Alright, I gotta look and see if I can find something that has a very fine edge and will cut. That would be the other workshop downstairs. Give me a second. Hoping I can find it. I did have stuff sitting inside just for it. That's a leg. razor blades. I need the razor blades. Give me. Oh, there we are. Do I have something to put the razor blades in? Oh. Looks like we're still having some extruding problems. Nope, thingy, but that's fine. We'll just have to be very, 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 very careful. Did I say we're going to have to be very careful? Well, I meant it. I don't want to go into this and probably cut myself. So. I like how I have these razor blades in here, but I don't have the holder for them. Or the knife handle. I have some tape. I have all these things I would rather not use. Oh, this is gonna really suck. 1 second. Okay, I've got tape and razor blades. The makings of a fine handle. Alright, 1 sec. We're gonna check this drawer in the kitchen. Maybe I threw it in there just in case. Oh, that was a long walk. Okay. Bear claws. How does my tools go missing so often, man? Oh, another thing of razor blades. No, I'm gonna scraper pieces. Never mind, not razor blades. It's a stylus thing. Everything but the thing I need. 1 second. Oh, what's this? Oh, kitchen sink top. Alright, piece of cardboard. We'll just have to make the tape and cardboard. This is gonna be so dangerous, so scary. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, I'm lucky enough to have just one. Don't drop things, right? Second. I need to sharpen my knife. Alright. Temporary measure for this. Build us a prison shank for our task here. Make it easy here. What? My blade is bent? This one's bent. Oh, my battery's low. Yeah, let bent the heck, okay. Oh, 1 second, guys. Yoshi, how's it going, man? Oh, I forgot to turn my mic off. Okay. Welcome to the toy shop today. Oh, I forgot to grab my steamed water. I need to do this. Pick my popper real quick. You want inside, Chi-Chi? Okay, one second. Okay. Oh. Not see. I gotta sit down. So go and go. Good afternoon, Mr. Action. Were you cooking? No, I was heating up water in the microwave, and then my wife showed up. With an alarm? No. Oh, I might have had a thing. One sec. I got my phone is. I set it up as like another screen nearby me, so I don't have to worry about looking for chats. There we go. There we go. And I had to make myself a knife thingy. Myself a knife thing. Yeah, and I had to fix my. Oh, maybe it was just out of place. Let's see. Is that cut now? Oh, okay. Well, it's not bent. Alright, I got my pry tool. I'll put my other stuff away. I had to grease up all my drawers so that they wouldn't make squeaky sounds. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it's flying. There it is. I had to make myself an improvised knife thing. Okay. So I'm told you can't. Oh, Eric, he's fooling you. Me not paying attention to my blade. Maybe that'll work out a little bit better for me. Here's my pry tool. Oh, don't mess up now, Eric. There we go. It's alright. I gotta try and do the safe at the same time, keep it in the camera. Let's put this in the heat. I said give me a hand, but I need a leg. And this is what come out of the torso earlier. I don't know what it goes to. Apparently it's something. for another thing I can use as a pry tool in here. I need a straight Phillips. Maybe this will work. Okay. Just don't want to break it. Okay, this has to actually go in for a bit longer. I left it in when I went outside. Oops. Yeah, the alarm was the microwave beeping. My where I put my workstation in this room, everything is next to the kitchen. It's next to the basement door. Air fryer thought it was your house on fire. You'll be fine. Now you got, oh man, now you got me wanting to eat. What is there any food in the freezer I don't have to like do any like massive prep times on? More pogos. Nuggets, the kids ate them all, so. Alright, the air fryer. Oh, I forgot the water. Oh, that's okay. Maybe I can. That pops. That pops. Maybe I can get this apart without having to go insanely. Oh, bent my pliers. There we go. There, that's open. Ouch. There we go. Oh, look at it. Oh, and it's now. Oh, that's fine. It'll be fine, I guess. This always seems to snap sometimes. But I can fix that with a little plastic remodeling. There we go. Guess I should have waited for the water. But we got another chance at this because it's the first figure. Bend my player tips back. Try to anyways. I'll figure it out later. Alright. There we go. So, this and this, I'm planning on, I will glue them back together, so that they will go back to looking like this. Now, I do have an original replacement part, but I'm saving it. saving this to I'm gonna glue this one back together. I have another one that's like this that's broken in the same way. I'm gonna take these three, make molds, and then sell them in sets of 3. Eventually, as soon as I remember what I did with the thing I had just now. Where did I put the ball? Where did it roll off to? There it is. Okay. I should glue this now so I don't lose it. Oh, wrong thing to grab. Ooh, that's dank. Woo. Alright, I'm gonna have to sit here for a couple minutes. I find that this design is actually quite inferior to the one I designed myself. So, let's see. Let's pull this out. My little drawer of bits and bobs. Oh, there's one. That's one of the ones I designed. I want another one because I have to fix 2 of these today. I'll just put these off to the side now. I do have multiple of those. Oh, there's one. This one is flexible TPU. These ones are PLA Plus. I'm not doing a whole bunch of them today, but it will be nice to put them in a baggie and put them in here. Ah, these are fun too. I'll show you what I did for that. Okay. I plan on probably breaking a couple of those as I'm assembling it today. But I'm lucky I made a bunch. Alright. Okay. Put the store back. How is your day going, Yoshi? Hopefully it's blessed. Okay, so that snapped off. That happens sometimes. I obviously was in a rush and I didn't want to wait for the hot water to get in there. But once I'm done, you probably won't notice it because I'll glue it all together and clamp it down. And this one is the one that's out of whack. Yeah, it's got stretch marks and everything right there. Okay, but all right. Here's how mine is. Oh, there's the other leg right there. So there we go. Now this has been measured out so it will fit in here perfectly. All right. Oh, let's go. Oh, I got a little bit of schmutz on this. Second. Okay. There we go. This gets over the end. Push it on. There we go. A little bit of glue on the bottom of the crotch. Okay, so that is a perfect fit. Okay, so the reason why I think the original ones are inferior is because if you look at all the stress marks, every time one has snapped, it's been right on this side of the leg, like literally this leg. Okay, and it's happened way too many times. So I designed mine to go on and just be really bulky around that section because you see how it tapers in. It's triangular. Mine is just a straight knob that goes straight in, and it's not 100% the same. It's obviously oval shaped, but yeah. So you can buy these. You can buy these the S-tail for these connectors to fix your own toys on my Cult Sturdy account. It's the Action Toys channel. Profile picture is of Dr. Claw from Inspector Gadget. Guess I could leave that alone, right? Wouldn't have to glue it. But I'm going to anyway. I just put the glue away. Yeah. But yeah. So overall, I think I've had like the best results of these. They fit on other Remco figures as well. I'm told that they fit a little tight, but I've designed them that way because the original figures, the original leg band on them wasn't the best. So now I'm gonna have to go. Just a little bit on top. And I'll be, do I need, yeah, I'm gonna need that water, the hot water now. All right, I'm gonna have to hold that and go get it. Yep, still good and hot. Just picked a random Tupperware bowl. This is the one that the dog stole the one day. I'm like, good thing we don't eat out of it anymore. All right, let's go. I just gotta take this, put that in there, just long enough for the plastic to. Oh. So here, I'm gonna clean out some of this glue that's on there. That'll be held together like that. Well, it's inside the piece there. I'm not having any problems with it, so that's good. And I am gonna upload this to my YouTube channel. You're still coding? Oh, that's cool though. It's just okay. I'm tired. Yeah. I ended up staying up till like 3 o'clock this morning playing Fortnite with Crazy Cries, Trinity, and Mona. I was like, and I was so tired. I was like, eh. And there we go. Look at that, guys. All done. So this is I think his name's Gecko or something like that. I can't remember. It's Warrior Beast. Remco's Warrior Beast. I think it was 1986 was when it came out. So yeah, there we go. Very easy, huh? Okay. So this is 1980s. Lost World of the Warlords. Might be easier to take this leg off. There. Then I can get that out. So he has the same problem as you see. Bad leg connectors. Oh, I'll have 4 now after this. Okay, well he's sitting in there. Well, he's sitting in here warming up. I want to show you this. This goes to a what is it called? This goes to one of these type of guys. They have an elastic band. You can see right there. Okay. Now the thing that happens to them, the same thing that happens to a lot of connectors. They wear out, and they're using like literally a rubber band that just fits in the leg, and then they stick a pin through it. So I was like, okay, I need this. So I found that the best item to use is this. I designed this. It's probably not the most visually appealing. Let me clean this out. I'm gonna clean out this little bit of stuff from the 3D printer. I just nipped my finger. Happens. Not good enough for now. But literally, I had to figure out the best. I literally just took this. Do I have a screwdriver or whatever? I took a fat screwdriver, stuck it down here to get the radius that I was gonna need. I was like, all right, okay. So I reduced it a fair bit so that I could slip it into the leg better, and then I went with just slightly longer, so I didn't have to squish this to go in. And then I had to find the proper some trial error. I had to find the proper length for in between, which took me forever because this piece is broken. So I had to find myself a good medium place for that, right there. So it's still technically the same length, but without all the other requirements of it needing to be squished and pulled and prodded. I always keep the original one that's broke and stick it out to the side. So now we're done with these. They can go back in this drawer that you guys saw earlier. Oh, what's going on here? I'm stuck on something. Oh, I'm stuck on all my cords. I've been looking for this forever. This is my boar bristle beard brush. Oh, that felt good. I try and keep my spot clean. So, this is still going. I literally, someone's like, are these things like super brittle when you're done fixing them up after gluing them together? And on my YouTube, I was like, oh, it's an awesome guy, Blue by Hobbies and More. He's like, commented, do they fall apart if you drop them? And so I was like, all right, do a drop test. I took him and I literally just threw him across the room and he hit the floor. He didn't come apart, picked him up. I was like, I think he does. He does stay together, so. That got some accolades. Accolades. Okay, let's put this up. Oh, someone's had this guy apart before. Look, see all that damage right there? That's because someone's pulled him apart. I'm hoping that means that I can take them apart easier. Well, it might take me a minute to figure it out, but like always, I stick this in there. Nope, okay. So we're gonna just score along the sides. You know what happened? Someone probably had a bad top and had a good bottom. They probably mix and match these figures together and they go back together. So that's what I'm thinking here. Okay. Yep, someone's been here before. Yep, someone's definitely been in there before me. That was all that cracking sound was yep, was glue separating. Yep. Well, dang, I'm okay with it, I guess. Oh, don't want to pop that. Where did that other one go? The one that's slightly thicker. We just want to try and get this apart best we can. Get that there. There we go. There we go. And with this, do I have a finer screwdriver somewhere? I always have finer ones. Put this in here. Give it a couple of purple elephants. Okay, so I would actually prefer to use this one, I think. It's literally just, those will lock it in place. So we're gonna do this. Reason why I like these because they do have more flex. So if there's like a strange amount of pressure put on, it'll just bend that way. There we go. And as you see, it's got full range of motion. So no problems. Oh. Alright. Pop this out. Okay. Pop this one in. Perfect. Yeah, you see all this white stuff around the edge here? That's super glue. Yep, all super glue. Oh, I almost put it on backwards, didn't I? Yep. There we go. Make sure that glue sets off with some heat. Okay. Now, wow, this is gonna be a short stream today because I ain't got nothing else to do. There we go. I guess I could touch up the black hair on this guy. Add some white paint to that guy's teeth. But yeah, there we go. Look at that. And if you wanted, like, yeah. So, I like having the rubber band style on this guy because, well, it's gonna make him last longer. Stands. Sit him on a flat surface. Stands. So nothing will stand. This is lifted from you can see it. Oh. Whoa. And if you don't like them standing on their own, you can always, well, since they're expensive, these will sell for like 50-60 bucks a piece. So that being said, I'm not gonna complain. So let's look at this. Is this the proper one that goes on here? And it is. Okay, so we'll glue it on, and then I can use it for a mold, for molding purposes later. Okay. Still coating. Oops. Okay. So I'll just do up a bunch of these like they are, and then I'll just like they'll be super authentic. They'll come with already installed breakpoints. And this is supposed to be at the very, I think this is supposed to be at the very top of the one piece, but I'm not going to bother with it. All right, what am I going to do now? I've got loads of stuff I can do, so. One second. We'll set this up for pictures. That water really lubricated this guy. You know what? Did the glue go off yet? I think I'm gonna swap this out because I only have one, and I would rather leave this elasticy bit for a figure that's a bit more expensive. And since you can pop these on and off so easy, so easy that is. Just gonna put green on this guy. You can hear that snap in place, literally. And that's why I think my design is so much better. So I got these from 2 different vendors. I'll be honest, I'm pretty happy with them, so there. And he's still very moldable right now. My desk was flat. There we go. Nah, he stands. Let's see if I push this down. Yeah. That's all it was, just that the desk was not flat. I'm gonna like take a picture and he's gonna be like looking at it like this, like, what the heck? It's gotta clean out the background, so I gotta get rid of my stuff. My poor tweezers that turned into prying tools. I will replace you eventually. Alright, now I just gotta pull this back. Because yeah. Super loose arm, but that's actually fine. It's not a super tight fit, that's fine. Doesn't matter. I just need them to stand there like this. Alright. 1 second. So I'll put this over here. Get about my phone. There we go. Now I can post them in my 3D printing, some of the 3D printing groups I'm in. They're like Motus and other things. Like, yeah. There we go. Need some tea. Oh, dang it. I didn't think I was thirsty, but man, that helped. 1 sec, let me turn on my fan. Because it's hot, right? We got the, we turn our natural gas furnace off every season, and we just turned it on the other day, and it's so hot in this house now. I'm complaining. I'm nothing but complaining right now. Alright, so that is that. That's another one of our things done. Okay, we will put these up this front because I do plan on buying more of these Remco action figures because these are literally designed for them. I was gonna keep this on that, but I was like, I'll wait till I get like a Skullman or something, and a far more expensive figure. He's like, he sells for 200 plus just the figure. He comes with 3 accessories: a cape, a bow, and a knife. The knife itself sells for 50 bucks. The cape, I've never seen one for sale, so I don't know what that would sell for. But he has a bow, and that sells for 80 bucks roughly. Before this is all before shipping. Okay, and yeah, that's my ghetto knife cutter thing. Put this away. Oh, and here's the accessories that I've been making. They are like sex machines, cock gun type thing that goes on from dusk till dawn. And if you want to see one on, I can put one on. Let's pick a random one. I don't know if I even posted this STL for sale yet. Why are you giving me a hard time now? Wow. You went from... Oh, it's probably because I painted it. It changes the dimensions of everything. That's why they go in. But that's how it fits on. So now I gotta do another. I gotta do another picture because that looks amazing. Oh, my eyes are like tired. Oh heck. Oops. 1 second. I might have to put them up on a pedestal or something. I don't have one, do I? Yes, I do. If I don't have a white background, that'll be fine. Yeah, I guess. What the heck was that? Oh. Yep. Put the camera upside down. Alright, good. If you want to see what them pictures look like. That is so flushed out right now because of the light. Yeah, it's just the way the light hits it, but it looks... See, that's how it looks. Just gotta stop doing that. That's how it looks, so... That looks good, I think.
I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me, and as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.